Welcome to EWS. My name is Aaron, I'm EnviroTech. In this video I'm going to run you through getting started with the EWS Tilt Meter. The EWS Tilt Meter is a handy cell or satellite data logger that can be used to measure the movement or displacement of the X and Y axis or pitch and roll of a surface, slope, beam or wall. On the side of the device you'll see the serial and IMEI number. On each side of the base plate you'll see 4 slotted 6mm mounting holes. This allows you to mount the device in many different configurations. Please note that the device is most accurate when sitting flat on a surface with the top of the unit facing upwards. On the front of the unit you'll find the press button. Press this once to turn it on, twice to turn on Bluetooth, or hold for 10 seconds to place the device into shipping mode for storage and transport. Also note that the 2 high output D-cell batteries are stored inside the device and require removal of the backplate to change. Ensure that when replacing batteries, do so in a dry and clean environment, taking care to insert in the correct direction. To get started, let's turn on the device. Press it twice to turn on the Bluetooth functions. We'll then open our EWS Lynx app. We'll press the Pair Device button and wait for it to connect. Hitting OK takes us to the Device Information tab. Here we can see all the device information, including its cell or IMEI number, if there's any faults, and the battery level. Next we can enter the Sensors tab. From here we can test our device's accelerometer and check our X and Y axis. Typically the Y axis is aligned with the short side of the device and the X axis is aligned along the long side of the device. We can check this by pressing the blue read button on the individual channels. First we'll test the Y axis by getting a reading while the device is flat on the table. I'll then tilt the device along its Y axis and force another reading. While the device is flat on the table, I should be looking for a reading of around 0, and when tilted, I'm looking for a reading greater than plus or minus 1. I can repeat the same process across the X axis. Once we've determined that the X and Y axes are behaving as expected, we can install our device and read all the channels to get our stable install measurements. A handy feature that we can utilize with the app is once the device is installed, we can go to the device information page and add site and field notes. When we hit the share button at the top of the screen, it'll create a file containing all the device's information plus the site and field notes, shared from your mobile device or saved locally. When we assure that all of our information has been saved, we can go to the telemetry page and send a forced transmission. We'll force the device to start a transmission outside of its normal transmission interval. Once the transmission is complete, the device is now operational and you can exit the app. If we're removing the device or placing it into storage, on the device information page we can hit the shipping mode button. This effectively places the device into sleep mode, preventing all transmissions and readings, and saves the battery life. Hope you enjoyed this quick start guide of the EWS Tilt Meter. Please check back in on the EWS YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on using our products in the near future.